Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
All right, you guys, just got on the first one. He bit the chrome and black back. Little guy. It's he zoomed and got it from the water. I saw it. I kind of slowed it down and he grabbed it. Good shot. Get this little fellow back in the water. Thank you, buddy. He ran that bait down. Alright guys, just got on the second one here at this spot. Caught him on the silver and black back, which is already shedding already. But let's get this guy back in the water, man, so he'll get bigger one day to be a 9 or 10 pounder. Ooh. Nah. Woo! Patrick! Yes! Yeah, baby! I broke that curse! Nice one, nice one. Hey guys, you know who I got with me?
Paul Man Bassin, y'all.
The infamous Paul Man Bassin. And I'm first time casting. So hey, I could bring closure to a video today. Ain't that something good? Well look, y'all guys have a good one. I'm gonna see if I can upload this video, guys. Y'all have a good one. Anything else you want to say?
Hey, be blessed, y'all.
Y'all heard it. Y'all guys be blessed. Y'all have a good one.